really exciting. And we want to thank Sandy in particular for all the hard work in putting this in. And Helen. Thank you, Helen. She's right there. Yes. So thank you for organizing a really fun way to raise awareness about the Trump administration's efforts to destroy our environment and hand off our public lands to wealthy corporations. Whether you kayak or you hunt or you fish or you hike or you just like being outdoors, this does affect you. It affects everyone. So we all deserve a safe, healthy environment with clean air and water, and we all have a responsibility to speak out against these disastrous policies and the actions that affect our entire planet. We should also mention that today is a National Day of Action for Ice Out, which recognizes the harm caused by ice and remember those who have died. We appreciate all of you for being here today and taking a stand and for doing the next right thing. And I just want to say that we know that hope dies in isolation, but it thrives in community. And this is a really cool community. We're really grateful that you're all here. What you're doing is really important. And I hope you all have a great time. And I hope this is the first of many kayak protests here in Tillamook County. This is really awesome. So thank you. Thank you.